Simplify the square root of 125 over 27. Take the square root of the numerator and denominator separately. In the numerator, 125 equals 25 times 5. The root of 25 is 5, so move it outside. In the denominator, 27 equals 9 times 3. The root of 9 is 3, so move it outside. The denominator still contains square root 3. Rationalizing removes that root. Square root 3 over itself equals 1. Multiply by this factor. The value stays equal. Multiply across the numerator, then across the denominator. On top, multiply the roots to get square root 15. On the bottom, square root 3 times itself is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. The simplified exact value is 5 square root 15 over 9.